I bought the Lorex 1080p indoor security camera to place inside my vacation home. That way I can remotely monitor while I'm away. The camera comes nicely wrapped and packaged in a box. It also comes with a power adapter that plugs into the wall. The package also comes with some screws in case you want to mount the camera to a wall or to the ceiling. It also comes with a USB cable that connects to the back of the camera and on the other end to the power adapter that plugs into the wall. The package also comes with an instruction manual. To set it up, the camera, all you have to do is connect the power adapter to the camera and power it on. Then from your iOS or Android smartphone, download the Lorex Home app. Then scan the QR code and connect it. To connect your Wi-Fi to the camera to the app, launch the Lorex Home app and follow the on-screen prompts. Once set up, the camera can see a wide area up to 135 degrees. It has infrared lights that lets you see what's going on even in the dark, up to 33 feet away. You can also hear and talk to people through the camera with a built-in speaker and microphone. If you have a Google Home or Amazon Alexa, you can use simple voice commands to control the camera too. The camera even has a pan tilt feature that allows you to move it around so you can see more of the room. You'll get a notification if someone is detected in the camera's view, so you'll always know what's happening. And if you ever want some privacy, you can turn off the camera whenever you want. And it also has plenty of local storage on a 16 gig micro SD card. If more storage space is required, simply upgrade to a 256 gig micro SD card.